Hello, everyone. Welcome to day number 9. This is your friend Divyesh Dave. And we all know that sharing is caring. That's why I'm sharing this amazing learning journey with you guys. So, today is the day 9, and we are moving ahead to one more step of all the formatting and database work. Because we have 2 more days to do this thing, and then we are going to move to little bit advanced version. So in day 9, I'm going to add two important things, which is really helpful because sometimes we have complex data and it is very hard for us to find all the linkings and all. So we are going to cover two things. First is the linking and second is the commenting. This is also an important part. So first we'll check the linkings. Now, what is linking? Linking is something that when you add something and it's showing um, what you can say is the connection with different parts of the sheets. For example, let's say we add we check three types of linking. First is a simple linking. Now, what is simple linking? Uh, let's say you have this sales database. Okay. Now here you have all the formulas and everything, and you have your main sheet here. Now, every time what you do is you every time go to this sheet and you check, okay, this is the total. If something is changing here, you have to move all the times here. But what if I tell you that you can just simply bring this portion on your home sheet so you don't have to move from one sheet to another. For that, this is the simple linking. You just copy this, control C, and then you come to your main sheet, and wherever you want this data, you just use the paste special alt ESV and then sorry all and then you just paste this link. Okay, watch it carefully. Alt ES, that means the paste special box opens, and then you use this small option paste link. No any other option need to click, just paste link and it's done. So this is yeah like a information for you that what's happening in a particular cell in the sheet that you can check it here. So every time something changes, for example, this changes to 3435. So it will change here 3435. So instead of you are going every time and checking this data, you can simply check here. So this is the first simple linking. Second is the formula linking. Now, what is formula linking is, let's say you have some data here, okay, and some data here, and you want to merge different kind of data and different kind of numbers, and you want to bring something on your specific cell. Let's say you want to bring some result on this particular link. So this is the different link. A simple link is just press is equal to, and then you can simply, let's say you want to bring this total, you enter, that's it. Is equal to, redirect this cursor or um, this the cell reference to that particular area. Let's say you want to bring this total. It is more or like same, but it's like simple linking. Okay, so you just press is equal to, go to that particular cell, and that. Now here, let's say we want to bring the list of all these things. So you can simply use is equal to, just go to here. Let's say we use this database, and you want all these number from 125 to this. So you can simply use this. It's Excel 365, that's why it's bringing all the things, but you have to do it one by one. Let's say you go here and you press 125, enter, and then you just use Control D, and all the things will come. Again, you Control R, so all the next cell amount will come here. So this is second linking. Okay. Now you can add formula as well. For example, if you want to do, let's say This is our sales. So sales, um, or maybe let's say let me add this one. So you have this units and you have this number as well. Let's change this a little bit. Anyways, so you want to get the average data on your main sheet. So you put the formula using different reference on different websites. This 3435 divided by this and enter. I think I put the comma, the wrong reference. So this divided by this and enter. So this is the average you can bring. So you can put different kind of formula anywhere in the sheet and you can bring the result at that particular place. So this is called formula linking. You can put formula and you can uh, bring the result anywhere in the sheet. Now, why I'm telling you this? Because when we will go to the project, this will help you a lot to create a dashboard or front main sheet. Now, third linking is hyperlinking. Now, hyperlinking is something that uh, when you click something and it will take you to that particular area. That is called hyperlinking. You know how websites work? When we open the website, we click on the link and it opens the website. Same like that. So there are different kind of hyperlinks you can create, like same sheet hyperlink. For example, you are in this particular cell, let's say, and if you want to go to home when you click here. So what you will do is you simply go and press this link. It will open the box. And now here there are different kind of things like existing file. If you want to connect any file, so when you click this, the file will open. The second is place in this sheet. This is the option we need to click. So when we click on this same sheet, it should go to the top. So we select the main sheet because we are in the same sheet, and then you give the reference number. Let's say B2. So it will directly go to B2 cell and OK. So can you see that it has been changed? The default color has been changed. That means it is hyperlinked. So when you click this, it will go to B2, which is the navigation. And can you put it reverse? Of course you can put it here, link, and then main, and then what was the reference number of that particular back? This was C199. So here we can put link main C199. So when you put it here, you come back. So this is how you can link. You can link within the sheet. Now, what if you want to uh, add the link into next sheet? Same process, just you need to change the sheet name. Let's say link. Instead of main, you can select database, and then you can give the cell reference. Like let's say, what was the total? Total was J42. So you hit right click, and then you can also go to here data, and then better to use the right click, and then link sales database J. Sorry, I forgot J42. Okay, so right click, link sales database J42, and enter. So when you click it, it will go to here. And if you want to come back, you can simply put um, back to home, add a text, and here you can again put the link to home sheet, and that's it. When you click, it will go to home sheet, and you can give the cell reference. So this is like moving from one place to another place. So next sheet reference. Now next is another file. If you want to another file, you can simply go to this existing file and then open. Let's say you want to open this file, and you can just click here. So when you click it here, it will open this file. Okay, so this is the file reference you can use. Now you can also add the web link. Let's say link, and let's say web link, and then you put HTTPS. Let's say let me put my website. So it will open my website, and okay, when you click, it will open. The file does not have an app associated. Okay, it will open the website. Oh, sorry. So it will open the website. So comment me how my website looks. This is something I have created by my own. If you want to learn, just type in the comments. I want to learn to create my website, so you can bring that thing also. Okay. Next is email link. Yeah, if you want to create an email, you can create an email. So simply, let's say contact at thedivyeshdave.com, and then okay. So when you click, it will automatically open the mailbox, and you can directly send an email to that part. Okay. Now, open file link to create new file. Let's say you don't want to go to here and go to file menu, create new. You can directly create a new file by just clicking the link. How you will do this? You go to link and create new, name of the new file, then give the path. Let's say we do it on the desktop, and then okay. New project is registered with the shell. So we just yes, and then when you click it, I made some mistake. So remove hyperlink. Yeah, you can remove this hyperlink as well. I'll show you in a minute. Let's say new. Okay. Okay. So new Excel file. Let's say read only. Huh? Just opening the read only. So more or less you understood, right? Now the next thing is you can edit this hyperlink. Let's say you don't want to create this thing, and you just want to link it. I think I already have this some error. Anyways, remove it. You can add the new link, create new file, and edit the document now, edit the document later. So it is already created the sheet, let's say new file, but it is created. Oh, okay. I am having some technical issue because it's not showing the default Excel file. Maybe because of that. Anyways, so you can link, you can add the link, and you can open the link, and you can remove this link. Let's say remove hyperlink. You just go to here and it's removed. It's normal text now. Okay, so this is how you can create a hyperlink. Now, object linking. This is amazing. Like when you create a dashboard, this can help you a lot. Let's say you have this, you want to create a button. You just go to shapes, or you can select these icons as well, because it has very nice icons these days. It's loading. Let me just take the shapes for example. Let's say you have this shape and it's like a button. Okay, you add some text here, home. Home means home key. And you just reshape it. It should look like proper. The shape format, home, and you can make it center and just make it a little bit bold. So now you want to create this home button. So right click, link, and then again the same thing. You want to go to the welcome page, let's say. Place in this sheet, welcome, and then let's say, let's keep it A1 and then okay. So every time you click, it will go to the home page. Pretty amazing, right? You can create multiple buttons and you can just redirect them into different areas in the sheet. Okay, so this is the hyperlink and linking you can do. We will learn more because it has like amazing benefit when it comes to creating different kind of sheets and linkings and all. But this is just a basic of all the linkings which you can do. Okay, now check links. If you have some kind of links, you can simply go to here and F2. It will show you all the links, like how the data is coming. So it will show you the link, for example, here. So you go to F2. Okay, this is the button link. Okay, it's not the normal link, but let's say we have here link. So F2, it will show you from where the data is coming. Sales database J42. So F2 is the shortcut command to enter in any cell. Now there is the break link. What is break link? Sometimes we can link, let's say, this database from any other sheet as well. For example, let me just open one more sheet and I'll tell you. We have this database, okay? Now we can link our sheet from, let's say, to this database. And we want to change anything, or like anything change here. Now, when we close the file, what happens is it just connects us with a different file, not the sheet, but different file. Sometimes when we share this file with someone, it does not show them the amount. Why? Because it is connected with our file on our computer. And when you share this on email or on somewhere, let's say through WhatsApp, this figure goes blank, something like that. They are unable to see why we are not why we are not able to see this. So for to solve this error, what you can do before sharing, you just go to data. Can you see this webhook link? And what is the shortcut of this? Alt A K. Alt A K. So it will open this thing and you just simply break all the links and then break links. Now what it does is it just break all the links from any other sheet. So now if you share this with all the people, they can simply see the data properly. This is a very important hack you need to keep in mind. Okay, so this is all about the linking. Now we come to the commenting part. Let's say you have this data and uh, let me use this one. Okay, so you have this data, but in a particular cell, you want to add something which pop-ups and it gives you an idea. Okay, this is something we need to take care to analyze this database. For example, let's say in the row number 31, the video games was added just for the reference, and you want to pop up some kind of commenting that every time someone sees this sheet, they know that video games are just for reference and we need to change it later. So how you can do this? This is called the commenting. You can comment, you can add your comment. So shift and F2, this is the shortcut of. So immediately it pops up the box. Now here, right now, my PC username is Dell. So sometimes if you are working in office, it will show you admin or your own name. So now it will show you that it comes default. Now you can add this. This is only for reference purpose. Need to check and change the item name. And then you press escape and it's gone. But still always, it will always be here. See, can you see this small red mark? So when just hover your mouse to this portion, it will show you the comment that it has. So it will always remind you something that you need to work on this. Okay, so this is the comment part that you need to always keep. Uh, you know, uh, it just keeps reminding you that something needs to be done, or any important information that is needs to highlight to the person. Or so this is how you can add the comment. What was the shortcut? Shift and F2. Shift and F2. Now, what if I tell you the shortcut of remove this? Alt RD. It's gone. Alt RD. Alt remove the comment. Okay. Alt RD, Shift F2, and Alt RD. So this is how you can use the comment, use the linking, and different kind of linkings you can done. So this is all for today. This was really important part when we are moving towards our database creation journey. So I hope you understood this and you can use this now. You can create multiple links, you can create buttons so that you can navigate through your Excel sheet and even multiple Excel files as well. So this all for today. Now we are going to check what formula of the day. And yeah, our formula of the day is len. Len is something that helps us to check how many characters are there in the cell. Sometimes we are just writing this, let's say we are writing the name of the cells and we want to find how many characters are there. So we just simply press is equal to len, and then we select this and it will show you how many characters are there. So 150 characters are there, including space. Okay, so this is how you can find. I don't know, maybe it's without space. I think. Let me just confirm, reconfirm. Len and then this. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And if I put the space, yes, it counts the space as well. So this 151 is with spaces. So this is how you can count. Now, where it can be helpful, sometimes we fill some online information in banking forms, and they have character restrictions. So we have the database available, but we want to reduce that database. So there it can help us to find out how many characters are there. So we can just simply shrink and we can simply change our, let's say, 100 characters limit are there. So now we can just remove or change our topic or change our language on that particular cell, and it will come to the limited part. Okay, so this was the formula that helps us to find out character. And then the next is our shortcut of the day. This is justify. Now what justify does is, let's say you are writing something. Let me just give you a random example. Let's say I'm just merging some text for you to show. Let's say you have this text. Okay. Now what you want to do is you want to bring this text, but you don't want to merge it like this, or you don't want to change the size of, let's say you don't want to bring it to this length, or you don't want to merge it between two or three, something like this. You don't want to wrap it. Like if you wrap, the size increases, right? The width of this particular row increases, and you do not want to do this. Instead of that, you want to do that all the text inside this just come within this range, so you can easily use a navigation. So for that, you can simply go Alt H Fij and enter. So it will automatically justify all your text into these particular area. If it is less than that, it will not go to next. But let's say you have more data, and let's say you have this data, and then you just select this one, so it will give you an error. It will give you an error. The text will extend below the certain. Okay. So it will extend as per the limit. Now what it does is it does not increase the width of the row, or also it does not merge all your cells. So you can easily select. For example, if you merge this, all the data will select, and it does not help you properly in the navigation. So justify helps us to uh, bring all the lines in particular format, or in the specific cells. Now let's say you have, let me just take it back, and you have this one here, this one here. Can you justify this? Yes, you can. Then enter. So it will justify again. So this is how you can use justify. And how you can use justify? Simple, using this formula. Alt H Fij. Just select this, Alt H. Can you see how it's working? Alt, then H, Home, F, I, Alt H F I, and J for justify, and J, and it's done. So you can justify, and you can use. Sometimes we are struggling to reduce and increase this file size and row size. So just put justify, and it's done. Okay, so today we have learned about linking and commenting, and we also checked how we can check the length of the characters in the cell, and also we learned about justify, shortcut of the day. So what you need to do is just share the screenshot of this commented and linked sheet that you have used, okay? And also practice this formula by your own. And last is share your question and queries so that I can help you more. If you are having any specific trouble in Excel, let's say you're working in any company and you are having some problem in some kind of Excel error, just share your queries in the group. So I will be able to help you guys. Or maybe when I share this in our group, you can comment your query below that post also. So this is all for today. This is your friend Divyesh. Thank you so much for being the part of this journey, because I'm also learning with you guys. Thank you so much for supporting me, and I will try to bring more things after this series. So stay connected. Yeah, please join our LinkedIn group if you are watching it on YouTube. I will put you the link in the comment section or below this video. So please join our elite community of accountants. Thank you so much, and have a great day. Bye bye. Take care.